you want to make men's shoes, this video is for you, because in this video we're gonna talk about men's shoe last that you need to have to make almost any footwear type for men. Let's get started.
Learn how to make shoes with my step-by-step video courses.
There are a lot of shoe last types for women and for men, but you actually don't need to have all these shoe last types. It's enough to have only one shoe last type for men's shoes and make variety of different footwear types like loafers, Oxford or derby shoes, or even sneakers. What is important is to have shoe last that will have proper toe shape. What I mean proper toe shape? You know, there are shoe last types for men's shoes where it has a little bit pointed toe. Okay, you can use this type as well for derby shoes, Oxford shoes, or loafers shoes, but this type of the shoe last will not suit to make sneakers. So make sure that you choose the right shoe last type, and this is the cord shoe last type where it has shape like this, and the toe that will be with rounded toe or maybe oval toe but not pointed. Okay, and this shoe last, if you will find such a shoe last, you can use to make all these footwear types like we did in our loafer shoes. We also use same shoe last to make Oxford shoes. This is welted Oxford shoes, okay, and even sneakers. And right now I will show you how sneakers will look on this type of the shoe last. And also remember that using this cord shoe last for men's shoes, you can make sneakers with low top as well as sneakers with high top, because there is pattern making techniques that will allow you to construct sneakers with high top using the cord shoe last type. And I teach how to make such a sneakers using cord shoe last type in my sneakers course. But right now I will show you how the sneakers will look on this shoe last. So I made here very fast design of the sneakers using this shoe last type. I designed here sneakers with low top, and now I will show you how the loafers looks on the same shoe last type. Okay, and this shoe last we used in our loafers course, and by the way here I applied very classic design of the loafers, this one, but by knowing one of the types like this one, classical loafers, you can change it and make many other different types of loafers with penny keeper or without it, with any other design. As well as using the approach that I teach in my sneakers course, you will be able to design sneakers with low top or with high top, and you can change the design how you want. You can design variety of sneakers. What is important here is to understand that you need to choose the right shoe last type where you can apply the sneakers and must have the rounded toe like this one, or even more with more rounded shape. And then you will know, when you will know how to design and how to construct sneakers based on Oxford construction or based on derby construction, and with this knowledge you can design unlimited designs of sneakers with low top, with high top, and here inside of these boundaries you can change the design of your sneakers how you wish. You can add here more elements, or you can use here very clean design. It's all upon your wishes. Okay, so the important thing is to choose the right shoe last, And in this shoemaking tutorial, I showed you what is the shoe last type you need to make men's shoe types. And I launched my new beginner program for to make men's shoe types, where you can learn all these things, the loafers and the sneakers with different designs. Okay, so if you have questions, you can ask me in the comments below this video, and also I will place the link to this new program for beginners to make your men's shoes. Thank you for watching this video and see you in my courses. Bye.